So to help you get an understanding of engineering design and development, I kind of wanted to walk you through one of the project management structures we'll use in the class. This is called our design process flow chart, and basically it's laying out for you and your team the process that you will go through to work on your project this school year. And so I want to hit kind of the high points with it. And so the first thing that we'll do up here under step number one is define and justify a problem. And so you'll come up with a problem that you want to solve, and then you'll justify it. And so we want to make sure that it actually is a problem, and it's not just you thinking that it's a problem. And so we'll justify that problem academically and through market research. Um, the next step in our process is we will find out what solutions out there already exist that solve the problem. And so we'll document commercial products that you can buy right now that solve the problem. And we'll also document and research patents that to solutions that solve the problem. We'll try to analyze those different solutions that are out there, and we'll try to decide if we think we can solve the problem better. The next step in our process is to kind of the brainstorming step. And so once we have our problem justified, we will generate and defend our solution concept. So we'll come up with all different kinds of solutions that could solve the problem. When we're finished with that brainstorming process, we will put all of those solutions in some type of matrix, and we will come up with what we think the best solution or solutions that we've come up with to solve the problem. And so once we decide on a solution, we'll develop it further. And so we'll create a plan for what it actually is and how it's actually going to work. So there's a few steps involved in that. This is kind of the construction or the building phase. Once we have our prototype constructed or built, we'll test it. And so we'll write tests to see if it actually does what we think it's going to do. And then at the end of the project, you'll present to a panel of engineers, your design process that you went through, and also your physical solution. And so that's kind of EDD in a quick light. And again, this design process flowchart document you will utilize throughout the course to help you understand what the next step in the process is for you.